we have found a couple of highlights, all of them coming for Real Betis.
Yep.
Yeah.
Atletico Madrid have been nothing short than an absolute disgrace in that first half. Not one shot on goal. They've just sat in and defended. If it wasn't for Real Betis trying to make this at least some semblance of a football game, it is embarrassing beyond belief. They are so bad they might even get some in this second half. I have never seen a team with so many good players being so negative. Never, ever, ever in any league. In England, in Spain, in Germany, in Italy, never seen a side so negative like this Atletico Madrid side. It's beyond embarrassing, that first 45 minutes.
Luis, what are you smiling at?
Great. I know it hasn't been the best 45 minutes ever, but listen, it's too early to get that angry because it's a long season.
It's not.
It's a long season. It's a long season. Let's give it a time because, yeah, hopefully we can see.
Thank you very much for watching ESPN FC on YouTube. For more highlights, analysis and exclusive content, be sure to subscribe.